To connect to AWS EC2 using PuTTY, you need .ppk file. Now say while creating key pair, you created a PEM file. Now let us see how can we convert a PEM file to a PPK file. For that you need a software called PuTTYgen. Yeah, so you click on that and then you load the PEM file. Click on that, open it. Once you loaded it, you click on save private key and click on yes, and then you give it a name, maybe it should be 4, and that's it, done. Now close it, click on PuTTY, open the PuTTY. Okay, now here you need the host name, so you copy the public IP address, go to PuTTY, and the username is EC2 user @ Control V. You can check the username by clicking on the connect button by selecting the instance, and you'll be seeing the username over here. And then go to in the PuTTY on the left hand menu, go to SSH, then auth, expand auth, click on credentials, click on browse, and you will be seeing the PPK file. Click on open and click on open, and you'll be connected.